If you're trying to change your Discord email without access to the old email, here's the important answer right away. You generally cannot do it directly inside Discord without verification. Discord uses email verification to protect accounts from unauthorized access. So if you don't have access to the current email, the platform will usually require you to verify it before you can switch to a new one. In this video, I'm going to explain what that means, why Discord does this, and what your realistic options are if you're locked out of the old email. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Discord and go to your user settings. From there, look for the account or profile area where your email is listed. If you try to change it, Discord will typically ask for confirmation through the current email address. This is the key part. The old email must be verified before Discord will allow the change. That means if you cannot access that inbox, the change will not go through in the normal way. Discord does this for a reason. It helps prevent someone from taking over an account and swapping the email without the owner's permission. So even though it can be frustrating, there is no official bypass for this process. If you're seeing messages asking for verification, that is expected behavior. Now, if you don't have access to the old email, the next thing you should do is check whether you are still logged into Discord on any device. If you are, keep that session active and secure your account right away. You can also update your password if you know it, because that adds another layer of protection while you figure out your email situation. After that, go to Discord support and submit a request explaining that you no longer have access to the email on the account. Include as much account information as possible so they can review your case. They may ask for details to confirm ownership, but keep in mind that support cannot always override email verification. In many cases, the answer will still be that the current email needs to be accessible before a change can be completed. So the main takeaway is simple. You cannot reliably change your Discord email without access to the old one, and there is no official shortcut around verification. If you're trying to secure your account, your best options are to regain access to the old email, keep your logged-in sessions safe, and contact Discord support for help. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.